Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Settings and navigating straight to Language and Input. This is where keyboard behavior is controlled. Tap the keyboard name you actually use, Gboard or the MIUI keyboard, because options differ. Once done, make sure to access keyboard settings rather than general language menus. That directs you to typing corrections. You need this step first because turning off autocorrect lives inside the keyboard app settings, not in the system language selector. So choose the right keyboard now. You now go into text correction or typing options and look for autocorrection. On Gboard, it's labeled autocorrection. On MIUI keyboard, it may be auto replace. Tap that and set it to off or none because turning it off stops automatic word replacement. Also disable suggest text and next word suggestions if you prefer manual typing. These features predict words rather than correct them, and they can feel like autocorrect. Make the change and return to test in any messaging app. Finish by testing typing in notes or messages to confirm autocorrect is disabled. Type a deliberately misspelled word and ensure it stays as typed. If autocorrect persists, change the keyboard to another app temporarily or clear the keyboard apps data from Apps Manage Apps. That resets custom corrections. If problems continue, restart the phone and check for keyboard app updates in the Play Store or MIUI updates, because outdated software can override settings or reintroduce.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.